So hello and welcome to this Facebook business page optimization training. We are on video 4 and today I'm going to be looking at how you can optimize the header area of your Facebook business page. So my name is Anita Wong and I'm a digital visibility strategist and digital enabler. So I help you learn how to use the tools at your fingertips to gain more visibility and make a bigger impact on your clients. So what is a header billboard? So on your Facebook business page, we have this big space along the top, which enables you to basically use it a little bit like a billboard that you would see on a motorway. You know, you drive past those big screens with this big advert on. Well, you want to use that area on your Facebook business page a little bit like that. It's like your Facebook business page is your shop front of your business. And when somebody is looking at your Facebook business stories and they click through to your Facebook business page, if you haven't got a billboard that sort of pulls them in and attracts them, you may miss out on keeping them on your page. So if you've got that billboard effect with some really juicy information about what you do or what you're offering or promotional or something like that that's coming up, then that's going to help keep them on your page so that they can access the rest of your information. So I've divided this training up into a couple of videos because there's quite a lot to learn about your billboard. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump into the Facebook header area and I'm going to show you what you can do inside of Facebook to optimize your Facebook header area. And then I'm going to, in the next video, I'm going to jump into a video editor called wave.video, which is an awesome video editor where you can actually create your own video billboard like the one I've got on my page for your own. So let's jump into my Facebook business page and I'll show you what I mean. So this is my Facebook business page, Anita Wong. If you've not followed me here, please do come and like or follow my page. As you can see, I have this great video going on at the moment, which is a promotional video that I would call it on my billboard. I have a social media fiesta, which is what you're taking part in at the moment. And I want everybody to know that when they come to my Facebook business page, this is available to them free and they can go ahead and join it. But there are lots of different things you can do with this header area if you don't have a video. So to access this header area, all you have to do is come up to this top right-hand corner here. So let me just click on my page and it says change cover. So I want to show you what you can actually do in this area, so that you can actually make this header area more like a big promotional billboard for you, a bit like the ones in Times Square or Trafalgar Square. So change cover. As you can see, there's quite a lot of information there. Choose from photos, so you can choose a photo for your header. Choose from videos, so you can choose a video. You can upload your own photo and video. And then the one that you can actually create inside your Facebook page is create a slideshow. So I'm going to show you how to do that for this one. If you wanted to create a video, a photograph for this header and have it as a static photo, you could do that in a tool such as Canva. They do have Facebook header templates and you could go ahead and build one of those in there. However, video is one of the most attractive types of media that people connect with on your social media. So why not have a video or a moving slideshow billboard on there? So inside of Facebook, you can actually create your own slideshow using some of the information you've already got in your Facebook business page. So I'm going to go ahead and click create slideshow. What this is going to do is it's going to give me an option where I can choose up to 5 photographs, which will then rotate like a billboard on my header area. As you can see here, Facebook has decided it would like to choose the photos for me, but I don't want that to happen. So I'm going to click no. I don't want Facebook to choose my photos. I want this to be part of my marketing plan. So I want to be able to choose my photos. So you go ahead and choose some different photos. So I click the little pencil. You can choose from the photos you've already got on your page, or you can upload photos. So if you wanted to create 5 photographs that tell a story about what it is that you do, you could go ahead and do those in Canva. And then you could upload them here. If, however, you've got photographs in your page, you could go and choose from photos. So let's have a look at the photos I've got. So I have quite a lot of timeline photos and I have cover photos. Let me see what my cover photos are. So I've got quite a few different cover photos that I could choose for my actual header. So I could go ahead and choose one of those. So let's just say, I'm going to just show you what we can do. So I'm going to choose this one. And then I'm going to go along and choose some more. So I'm going to keep doing it from that area. I did that one already. So I'm going to do this one because I quite like that one. And I'm going to do another one. So you just keep doing this until you've filled it up. Let's do this one. And then another one. Again, I'm just sticking to my cover photos because I know they're the right shape, but you can use any other photo that you wish. So let's look, if I were to choose from my feed posts here, then it would just not be quite the right size because usually my feed posts are square or horizontal. So if I chose that one, it would just fill it up, which isn't too bad. Okay, so once you're happy, you see how I can drag my pictures. So I could actually have that one here. And then you just go through and you can look. So I can drag that up or down. I could do this one, and then this one, and then this one, and then this one. So once you're happy with that configuration, you go ahead and click save. And what that will do is it will create a slideshow effect for you, which will be visible on your page. So when somebody comes to the page, so let me just join it as a page visitor. They'll be able to see this billboard effect. So as you can see, they can flick through all the different ones, and it does move itself after a while. Let me just refresh. Oh, it's still whirring. Let's let it calm itself down a minute. So it's moving through these at its own pace, and as you can see, it's just going through. And the person visiting your page can then just flick through the options like so. Now, another thing to remember when you do this is if you click on that actual header image, it's going to come up. And I suggest that you add a description in here. And that description is almost like a call to action for your header area. So it would be something like, welcome to Anita Wong. I'm so glad you are here. Check out my groups for digital marketing tips and to join in my fiesta. Okay, and then you could even put a link to a download or a link to an event or anything like that you could do. Once you're happy with this, you click finish editing and it will associate that with your actual header image on your page. So if we go back to my page now, I'll have that picture here. And when people come to my page, if they click on it, they'll get that information. It also shows that information as a new post on your page as well. So it actually acts as like there it is, I've just updated my cover photo. So it actually acts like a post as well. If you don't want that to be shown on your feed, you can click this 3 little dots and you can actually hide this from your timeline. So it doesn't show on your feed that you've actually hidden it. It's still going to be visible at the top of your page as a billboard, but it just won't be in your feed. Okay, so I hope that helped you create that billboard effect using the photos that you've already got inside your Facebook business page or photos that you may create inside of a software such as Canva. Now, it's really useful to have a moving, rotating imagery at the top of your Facebook business page and to change it up quite regularly. So if you've got an offer or a promotion or a new course or a new product or special offer coming up, you can use that as a billboard. I suggest you probably, when you're planning your social media, you keep it for, say, like, you know, okay, my goal this month is 2. So create your billboard to match your overall goal so that when people do come to your Facebook business page, they can see that shining bright at the top. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to create your own video billboard promotional post so that you can put your own video up there. And I'm going to use the software called wave.video. So I will see you in the next video. Don't forget that if you are watching this video as part of the challenge, please do put your comments below this video and put hashtag Billboard if you've chosen to change your header to a billboard effect. So put hashtag Billboard in the video comments below this. And if you have any questions whatsoever about that billboard effect using your own photographs, then also don't forget to pop those in the comments below this video. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.